Welcome back to Overheat. One of the top-selling diesel motorhomes in North America is the Newmar Dutch Star 2026. External. The Dutch Star 2026 has a sophisticated and aerodynamic exterior design. It has a long-lasting exterior paint job with a masterpiece finish and protection from CLEARCOAT Body Protection Film. It has a Girard instantaneous water heater system and a liquid propane tank. For dependable electricity, a Cummins Onan diesel generator with 10,000 watts. LED headlights and taillights are installed throughout the façade. For convenience and security, Girard Nova awnings come equipped with wind sensors. A variety of easily accessible outdoor storage alternatives with LED lights. Interior. Every floor plan has an LED TV, a pillow-top mattress, a queen or king-size bed, and an enormous walk-in wardrobe. The dream kitchen of every cook is the Dutch Star 2026. Features include a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, a stainless steel microwave convection oven, a dishwasher option, solid surface counters with a backsplash, and a 2 or 3 burner induction or gas cooktop. Comfortable living area. The living area has a retractable LED TV, cozy chairs, and a sofa that doubles as a bed. Air conditioning and heating system. Modern Dometic air conditioning and heating system with separate controls for each zone. LED TVs in the living room and bedroom, as well as a high-end Harman JBL audio system with speakers both inside and outside. Ceramic flooring throughout the inside. There is elegant, easily cleaned ceramic flooring. For new interior color schemes, Barrington, Carrington, Kennett, and Whitmore are available for you to choose from. Driving is made simpler and less taxing by Newmar's unique comfort drive steering technology, voice control, a 360-degree camera, and navigation are all features of the 10.5-inch touchscreen screens. Advanced safety features such as traction control, ABS disc brakes, and a collision warning system, features with the help of an easy-to-use touchscreen control panel.